Hello, and welcome to our Cerenade video. In this video, we will introduce how to translate a custom intake form. By doing so, you can instantly translate an intake form to a different language. Your clients can then select the language when filling out the intake form. Let us log into the Caseworker portal. From the Caseworker portal, let us hover over the settings icon and proceed to click on Administrative Tools. From the Admin Tools, let us click on Custom Form Templates. We will use an already created custom intake form. However, please note that this can also be applied to a brand new custom intake form you are building from scratch. Let us hover over the Actions button and select Edit. You're now inside your custom intake form you previously created. You are currently on the Fields page. You will want to locate the Translations button and click on it. You are now on the Translations page. You will see a toggle button asking if you want translations. You will switch it to On. You will now see different options here. You will proceed to select one of the languages. Once selected, you will be alerted to Review. You will click on Review. You will now see your original question to the left, and from there the question in the language you selected. You can then go question by question, double checking if it translated properly. If not, you can modify the question to your liking. Once you are finished reviewing and modifying the questions, you can click on Submit. If you would like to review the intake form, you can click on the Preview button. In doing so, you will see the questions have been translated and the subtext next to it in English. Your custom intake form has been translated and you can finalize it by clicking on Save. Once saved, whenever you send this intake form to a client, they will see a drop-down menu allowing them to select the language. Additionally, if sending an intake form as a passwordless link, you can have it open in Spanish by default. To do so, let us hover over the Create button and click on Questionnaires. Let us either locate a client profile or create a new one. We will then create their client portal access if none has been given to them. We will uncheck to send email credentials and move on to the next screen. We will then select Send Intake Forms in Passwordless Link. You will see a preferred language option. Select the language, and then select the intake form you wish to send to the client. You will click on Save. You will then notify the client either via email, copying the link to clipboard and sending it another way, and lastly, if you have the SMS notifications option module, you can text them the link. When they receive the link and click on it, they will be asked to enter a one-time passcode which can be either emailed or texted to them. Once inputting the code, they will then be brought into the intake form. They will see that the intake form opens in the language you selected. From there, they will answer the questions, submit it, and you will see it in your mailbox. When reviewing it in the mailbox, you will see the question in the translated language as well as subtext in English to help you understand the question. Once accepted, the information will transfer the info into the client profile. This concludes our video on using the translations of the custom intake form.